Izingane zesithembu season 1 kwetsalang ngathi go kopa-kopane go ngata magware mo kae mo o Sneh nang se ya vela naye uthi ingane akuyena kaKagiso. Last time I checked, because I follow uSneh on TikTok, ubefonela uBaby Daddy and people were like umntwana ufana noKagiso. So I'm like, who is Dululu kahle kahle between thina noSneh noKagiso? Kuhlanya thina or kuhlanya bona? Because ubemfonela zamtshela ukuthi happy Father's Day, and the person that she was speaking to was uKagiso, if I'm not mistaken, unless khona omunye ofana noKagiso, yazi kuningi. But anyway, we'll see as the show unfolds ukuthi kahle kahle kenzana, because already the season has started with a banger. Usneh is ama vibes from the first episode, and it so sad what happened between Kagiso and Unisneh. But one thing I love about my Sneh, she's a straight talker and she doesn't have time to pretend. When she said ukuthi Kagiso lesa sikhathi ngitshe ukuthi umntana akusiwakho, and Kagiso was like, yo, I was so disappointed, and Usneh was like, lesa sikhathi ngimtshela, he did not seem to be disappointed, bekajabulile ukuthi umntana akusiwakhe. Because what do you mean, bani ufuna ukondla? Obvious Kagiso akafuna ukondla, so obvious bamtshela ukuthi umntana akusiwakhe, vele wathi, oh thank God and my ancestors, they are working overtime. That's how I feel ukuthi Kagiso saw this whole situation was like. And another thing, I'm happy to stay has moved on from this Kagiso side, because as we've seen, Kagiso seemed like someone who was trying to build his career on Sneh's name and image and family name konke, because you know once you mention abakamselegu, obviously izinto zizokhanya zizovuleka, especially in the industry, because they are that big. I mean, as you can see with Mzansi Magic nje iphethwe umselegu kanje, because after uThando Nesithembu we have Umnakwethu, after Umnakwethu kungena ingane zesithembu, after ingane zesithembu all this reality TV, they're just boring. It's just giving, okay, let's get the show going, beside Married at First Sight, because that one also is doing the things that needs to be done. Thank you so much. If you watch till this far, please make sure that you like, comment and subscribe. And if you're watching on Facebook or TikTok, please don't forget to follow. See you next time. Bye.